Hi everyone, it's time for a cozy plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks using the Coffee Monsterz Co. Summer Fun Hobonichi Weeks kit, as well as some other fun Coffee Monsterz Co. stickers that are sort of beach and summer related, and also some beach themed Coffee Monsterz Co. washi tape. I've got the blobs on the beach washi tape here, and I'm going to be using that as well. So let's just jump right into planning. And in fact, while I've got the washi tape out, let's just start with that. I like to put that down here at the base. So how is your summer going? Let me know in the comments below. Going well here, extremely hot, and I think that's pretty widespread for anyone in the northern hemisphere. Let me know where you're watching from in the comments. I always like to hear from people as to sort of what region or country they're watching from. It has been blistering hot. I'm in the southeast United States on the coast of the beach, and it is hot. That is normal for this time of the year, but we have still been having excessive heat warnings with like real feel of 115, 111, just really brutal heat and humidity, and we're still having a bit of a drought. So let me know how things are going for you as well, and hope you're staying cool if you are in summer season right now. And if you're somewhere cooler, let's just say I envy you right now. I enjoy summer, but I honestly enjoy fall a lot more. I like our fall here is still very warm, and so I really like the temperatures better in the fall. I just find it more pleasant. But we're just going to enjoy the beach today. How about that with this set here? I think it's a perfect one. I love this little beach umbrella. I know it's so small. I'll hold this up. I don't know if it will focus, but that is just, there's a little emoji sleeping under a beach umbrella. It's just so cute. I love this to start. So let's get to the kit as well. I always like to put my days in, so let's do that. Get the date. I just feel like it sort of sets up the rest of it. And so do you use a Hobonichi Weeks? Let me know in the comments. I'm always curious, when people watch these videos, are you actually using the same planner I'm using, or are you planning in something else and just watching, watching along, or not planning at all and just watching along, maybe thinking of starting a planner or trying to decide which one to pick? I'm just curious. And I gotta say, I'm a fan of the weeks. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So glad to have you back. But if you're new, welcome. And I do my work planning in my Hobonichi Weeks, and I do my everything life planning, like literally everything else. And there's even some overlap with work, but mostly everything else in my Hobonichi Cousin, as well as my daily journaling in my Hobonichi Cousin. And I've got videos on all of those types of things. And so that's sort of what I focus on here on the channel, plus hauls with the Coffee Monsterz Co, Hubman, Chub Girl. Those are probably the two main hauls, but other things as well. And I love Cat Collage. You don't really have a haul video with Cat Collage Club because she puts out digital downloads each month. And so it's not exactly a haul because I print the stickers myself, but you'll see those when you watch my flip throughs. You're going to see a lot of Cat Collage Club because I really love her designs. They're fantastic. But clearly I love, and I mean, just look at this. I love the Coffee Monsterz Co. And I love this little emoji with the bikini. It is just really, really cute. And if you do use a Hobonichi Weeks, let me know what you use your Hobonichi Weeks for. She is just so cute. I would really like to have her front and center. I think she'd be great on Monday. I think she would cheer Monday up a lot. So I'm gonna put her right up here on Monday. And that gives a nice pop of color right here at the top as well. I'd like to get my appointments in next. I always try to get anything that's gonna take a lot of time, whether it's work related or not. I really like to get in early, and I know I've seen people put them all over. I like to put mine over to the side so that I have plenty of time because I like to write all of my tasks down. And so I'm going to put this one here. I love how they look like little to-do notes. I really think that it's so cute. And let's see, I think I have 3 appointments on this week, and they're Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right in a row. Sticking to my finger a little. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, if you would give it a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. That helps other people find the video, so it really is helpful, and I'm grateful. And also, if you would like to see more Coffee Monsterz Co, more Hobonichi, more planning, definitely hit that subscribe button, and that way you won't miss anything new. I love this one that has the little pails and everything. It's just really, really cute. And I really like these kits because everything's pre-measured to fit just right. And that's a lot of fun, and it keeps it easy to do. So I'm going to use these for my to-do list. I always put that first, so I'll do my to-dos here. And then put one of these dividers. So it looks a little bit like the ocean, little ocean waves, really, really cute. Actually, I might want to put these down first. I'm going to set this aside, and I'll see if I can do this with my fingers. They like to stick to my fingers, but I'll see how this works. I kind of want to put these little to-do banners down first and see how that goes. And then once I get a couple of these, I'm going to skip over to a different color because I'd like to put a blue one down next. Put that after this in the next row. And then what I like to do, I did this last time and it worked really well with these Coffee Monsterz Co kits. Since her to-do little dots, you have these little emotis, I just used it in sections. So I'd have to-dos here, and then if I have more, I take more of these and add them over here. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to save these to use throughout the week in case I need them later. And I like how she even provides you ready-made check boxes. But anyway, let's go back to this and put this down. So I wanted to see where that ended. That's why I wanted to put those down first. And then that right there. And then put this down next. So the next 2 sections I have are notes and ideas. And I like having those 2 sections. I've tried both ways and I may change it again, but I like having those 2 sections between the 2 because sometimes it helps me to have those separated, even though there's some overlap and similarities between the 2. And so next I'll put down this for notes. It's going to stick to my finger, so I'll just use my fingers to put it down. And then this for the ideas section. And so what I've been doing is when I brainstorm for new ideas, I put it here in the ideas section, but just notes to myself. Like for one thing, I noticed that's a little crooked. And one thing I love is her stickers will peel back up if you're careful, and you can put them back down. But one thing I like to do is brainstorm ideas for work. And I like having those separated from just my standard note. And then she's got a cute habit tracker here, but I track my habits in my Hobonichi Cousin. And I think I'm actually just gonna use this. Sunday is my rest day, and I really wanna put this on here. I just think it's so cute. So I'm actually just gonna put this as like a deco box, but I'm also gonna write rest day in it when I get to where I start doing my planning. Almost schedule it like an appointment. Sometimes you have to do that. And then there's these cute little Deco stickers here. They're just so adorable. A little ice cream cone. Add that to Friday. That feels like a Friday kind of thing. And then a little starfish. And put this down. Put that towards the bottom. And let me know if you are a Coffee Monsterz Co fan, what is your favorite sticker kit if you have one, or sticker sheet, or washi tape, or whatever else. I just love to know because I love so much of her stuff, but I also don't know of everything. It's just impossible. There's so many things on her website. She's so talented. It's hard to know of everything that exists. So I just feel like it's kind of nice to have people say, hey, this is my favorite. So because this is a Hobonichi Weeks, I'm gonna save these larger stickers, but this one I just love. This is one of my favorites, and I also love the look on the face of the one with the beach ball. It's just the facial expression. So these are a must. These are a must here. So let's put this down at the ideas. It feels like it's appropriate down here near the beach, just chilling by the beach with her little straw hat. It's just so cute. And then the beach ball's definitely got to happen. The beach ball right here. And then I think the sandcastle. They're just all cute. I could use every single one. In fact, I might use the sand bucket in another location here, like on Sunday, because like I said, Sunday is my rest day, so I try not to do a lot of tasks on Sunday. Sometimes I do some just general housekeeping stuff that doesn't take but a few minutes. You know, when you're already on your phone waiting on something, you might as well kind of thing. But I don't try to do a lot of structured planning on Sunday. And there we've got that down. And then I feel like these are too big for the weeks. I think I'm just gonna save this to use on my cousin. They are so cute. You know, this is her again. And I was kind of hoping to use this one, but I just feel like it's gonna take up in the weeks a little too much unless I put it up here. What do you think? Let me know if you think I should, whether I put it there or not, if you think I should put it up there. I think I will. I feel like I want to. I may regret this later. In fact, I'm tempted. No, let's put this at the top. Well, I don't know. Would it look better here? Let's think about this a minute. Look better here, and then put the sandcastle somewhere. I think I'll do that. Since I just mentioned that I can relocate these, I think I will put the sandcastle at the bottom because it feels like it would look cute down there. But I'm actually just going to set it aside for the moment and put this right here because I might put the sandcastle up here. I just think this is going to look really cute here, and it sort of carries the theme, and it's a little different. You know, it's not the same exact one as her, so it's a little bit different. It's got the ice cream cone. I mean, clearly it's the same type. It's, you know, they're coordinating. And then I could either put this here or somewhere else. I think up here. I feel like this needs something up here. Let's do that. That looks so cute. And then I'm not going to do this yet, but I know this is scary. Emoji with syringe, but this is to go with one of my appointments. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to put the sticker down after I put my writing in. I've been using these Tomoes to draw in the dots for my to-dos, but since her kit already has those, I'm going to move those to the side a little so I've got a little more room, and write in the days of the week here, as well as all of my appointment information and tasks as well, and then also fill out these sections here. And the reason I find this so great for work planning is it just keeps everything easy to see. There's something about this layout that for me really works perfectly for work planning. And that way it doesn't get jumbled in with everything else, which is why I like my cousin for everything else. And then before I write my appointments, I'm going to write in the daily tasks that I know I'm going to do every single day. I always do these, but I've mentioned this in the past. My work schedule changes a lot week to week, and so I don't plan every little detail out way ahead of time. I actually plan out just the things that I know I will for sure be doing, and then I add the details of the schedule in when it gets closer, like sort of as each day comes, and I plan it out in detail, and that works for me. Everybody has to do what works for them, but I do a few tasks every single day. All right, I've got my daily tasks, and what I do is just check these off as I complete my daily tasks, and then I'm going to write in my appointments here so I don't forget those. And this is more, instead of doing time blocking, which I do in my cousin, this is just a reminder, and then I can flip to my cousin if I want to. But if you needed to, you could write down the time. Since I use the cousin, I don't need to do that myself. This just helps me remember that, hey, you've got something going on this day. And so that way I don't forget it if I'm just focused on my work planner that day. And then this is actually a lab, and so that's what I was going to use the syringe for. And they've even got the color palette, actually scarily enough, goes along with this nice beach theme, even though this isn't so pleasant. It's not, you know, a syringe is not the same thing as lab work, but I just felt like it would be fun to put that. This might make it more fun to get lab work. I don't know. So there we go. Got that on there. I don't know. I feel like planning stickers make everything better, no matter what it is. That's just how I feel about it. I feel like it makes all of it more fun. It makes planning more fun. It makes the bad appointments more fun, you know, all of that stuff. And then over here, I'm going to do my, oh, let me move my pencil board over, do my to-dos. And then my notes and my ideas. And let me know what you put in these sections over here. I'm probably going to have more to do. So as the week goes on, I'm planning to put more, you know, I can just put another row of these down. I really like how she does this, so you can keep using which bits and pieces you need. And I've still got another ocean here if I need to break off another section, but let me know what sections you use over here. I find these really helpful. As part of my planning, I mentioned I like to repeat some things. So here's what a finished plan looks like, a completed week. But each week I like to write my current upload schedule, because that just helps me. It's just a reminder to myself, and I keep moving that forward. And I wrote this in wrong. And so I just thought I'd show this, you know, again, real life planning. This isn't like fake planning. Real life mistakes happen. And so I have this is the correction tape that works for the Hobonichi Weeks and Cousin. It's Whipper cream tape. And this is the 4mm size. So I just wanted to mention that in case you weren't aware it exists. It's a pretty close match to the paper color. And so I like using it. And it's like pretty much instant dry. You know, there's not like, it's not like whiteout where you have to sit around and wait. And plus whiteout would be way too white for this cream paper. So my Saturday is a 10 a.m. time, but on Wednesday it is a 1 p.m. time. And so I wanted to fix that, but I just wanted to use that to show that this is really great to have if you don't already own it and don't know about it. And here is the completed spread. I love this kit. It is so cute. If you would like to see another plan with me using the Coffee Monsterz Co, definitely click on the link on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.